Steve here, Shen RC. I have my e-bike. I came fishing. As you can see, it's getting late now, so I'm gonna go home and show you how it works. I put on the blinker light in the back. I got the blinker light up in the front, and I have the headlamp. I don't know if I'll need that, but it's getting late here, so I'm gonna go. We'll see how she goes. All right, let's hit it. I got these two GPSs here. One's a little hair faster. You can see. I don't know if you could see it with that. Right now, 7, 8. They're about the same. Oh, let's go. Right now I have it on low. I might as well put it on high and see how fast we could go. It's 20 miles an hour. Go like 20 miles an hour. Right now I just have the hand throttle on. I took the pedal assist off. I unplugged the wire. I got all my lights on and stuff just in case, so the cars see me. I got 3 bars on my battery. Now we're losing some speed. Down to 15 miles an hour, 16.7, 16, 17, 18. I'm not pedaling at all, I'm just giving it gas. I'm gonna let off the gas now. I'm just gonna pedal. A little bit more gas here. Now I'm just pedaling up this little hill here. It could go up the hill, but see if I give it gas, watch. Goes up. I don't trust the cars behind you, but I guess they see them lights I put on. Now I'm pinning it. This guy will probably turn and cut me off because he'd be a jackass. I'm lucky. Something's squeaking a little bit. I think the brakes are hitting. Now I'm just pedaling. I gotta adjust these gears a little bit. They don't switch too good. Let's see. See? There we go. Give it a little gas. I think for riding on the street, low's good if you want to use a little pedals. If I put it on medium and give it gas, that's probably about the best if you're pedaling like pretty fast, if you want to get a good workout. Going like 11.5 miles an hour right now on mid, and I have this unlocked to go 20. How you do that is you push these 2 buttons in for like 2 seconds and it'll unlock to go to high speed mode. Then if you press them again in for 2 seconds, you'll get the normal top speed of 15. Now I'm just pedaling. Save some of the battery. Give it a little gas here. Hope I get through this. Ah, this stupid light. I'm gonna wait. Coast is clear, floor it. Yeah, the gears, you could hear them. They're not perfectly lined up good. I have to adjust them. There's a lot of chain noise. I could scrape them. Now I'm just coasting down this hill. There's no sense giving it gas. That one sounds smoother in the 6th gear. Certain gears, it's making noise. It means it's not adjusted right. I know this from my biking days. Give it a little gas. We're going 22. I'm not using no gas. I'm just gliding. We're going 23 miles an hour almost. It's alright. I got a lot of problems on my back. Bad knees. It was like arthritis. They hurt and ache like hell. Like bruises when you touch my kneecaps. They just solid pain goes in them. So this helps me out because I don't have to pedal so hard. So if you have any problems like that with your legs or anything, it's good. Here's the first spot I got skunked at when I went fishing. Skunked means you don't catch nothing. Something's making a whistling squeak. It's the back brake because I press it in a little bit and it goes away. Almost home. One thing I hate about bike riding, see how nice and wide this is for the bike path? Now look at this. And that's how most places are by me. There's not a bike path. You either have to go on the sidewalk, and the sidewalks are always shot, or you have to do like me and you're in the middle of the street and you have to trust from behind. Someone's gonna come past not paying attention and hit you. I actually like going on the other side so I could see the cars. That way if I see they're gonna hit me, I could at least try to do something. So it's pretty good. I'm almost home. I just cut through the school here where I ride my RC sometimes. Freaking roads like potholes. Can't even drive through your car through this part anymore. I'm still just pedaling easy. When I get to that hill, I'll give it throttle and I have it in mid power and it'll help me. And I'll get up. Then I got the steeper hill also. I'll probably have to drop down the gear, go up to a lower gear rather, and then I'll be able to get up the hill. These potholes, it's crazy. Now I'll start giving it gas to help me. Drop the gears. You do the illegal turn here. No right turn, dude. Alright, I got the gas on. I'm almost home. God, these gears need to be adjusted. Hear that? There it is. I'm gonna put it in low. Oh, maybe that was a mistake. Back on high, or rather back on mid.